on, boy! Let's play a game of how high I can get. How high you can get? And come back down. You gotta go around that rock.
Mate, I won't be able to do that. Oh my God! How did he do it?
Let's have a go at that. Do you reckon the 250 will do that?
Did he get right to the top? Yeah, he landed it there. Is it smooth as well? Yeah, it's flat road.
What do you reckon about 250 then?
Yeah, you start with third, you'll be fine.
Third? There's no way I can start in third. Come on, Guzzy! I don't think my bike's got enough beans. I can only do it in second. It's so wild.
Hard to get the power down. Yeah, the back wheel just jumped on that little bit there.
Yeah, let's have another couple of goes.
I might kick the edge off.
Do you reckon it'll make it in second?
Don't go too fast and I might try second on mine, it would be better.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Trouble is, that 300 has got so much more torque than mine. It's really hard to even compare the power difference. It's only 50cc, but that's where it counts, when he's setting off. Big pencil. Well, well, this might not go right, ladies and gentlemen. It just spins.
You got to there and you knew you were going to make it.
Yeah, I just want.
Anyway.
Yeah, but I told myself I was going to do it.
You know what it is for you? Is that bump?
Yeah, it just spins.
It's too wild there, isn't it?
It's not. It's,
It's like a 125.
yeah, compared to a 300, it just spins.
Totally different.
Yeah, buddy! I can let him go so I can fucking hammer it. Should be enough. Here we've caught him. Don't think there's any getting past on this trail. That was fun though. Yeah, there's no way we can get around him here. Although he's going at good speed. Fuck, I'm out of breath after that. Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, because it was enjoyable. Oh God. Followed him into that rut then. Yes! off a bit. I wasn't sure whether Christian was going to pull out on me. God, the pleasure of a brown spanking 300. Oh, everything's just so smooth. Right away, like the throttle, the brakes, everything is just amazing. So I've just done something on my bike. I'm going to do exactly the same in this bike, see if it's any easier. Yeah, way easier. That's mad, I didn't even do that on my bike, I peeled off at the top. It doesn't feel like aggressive, it's just way smoother. It's very smooth actually, but just there. That's where the power is. Let's try second gear. Oh my god, mine would have been spinning all the way up there. That's insane. See how slow we can go. Wow. Well, that's just taking the piss.
Is it nice? Isn't it? Talky as fuck.
You'll never stall it.
It can go, like, you can nearly die and it'll still pull. Oh, that's nice.
Go on, boy! A couple of the old boys showed us this last week, and I wanted to have a play then. Massive playground. This looks unreal. Oh my god, that's a mine shaft. Might not go down there. Oh, hard enduro. Whoa. Great practice. Oh. Woo! She spat on the face of that. Bit of damp fucking rock. Yeah, that's a mine shaft, don't go down there. So we're going the wrong way up the camber, then you got to change. Like that. Wow, rocky. Hope it doesn't get deep, otherwise we are screwed. These big rocks are hard to ride on, just snatching your wheel everywhere. Right, let's have a go with this hill climb then. Second gear up there. Wow, it's so squirrely! Why won't you point in a straight line 250? Like as soon as you touch the power, it just goes sideways. See? 300 straight up. 250 squarely. Let's go slower. Yeah! It just shows like you've got to go a little bit slower to go faster. Oh god, I've attacked that wrong. Cool, let's try a bit of hard enduro. A bit more technical. Got to be real strong on the bike against these rocks. because they just grab your wheel and throw it wherever it wants to go. Oh, look at this section. Trying to stay like light on the bike, keep it pointing straight. As soon as your handlebars twist, you are stuck. Midwest, fair play, he's gelling with that bike. I didn't think he'd go over stuff like that this quick. That's cool. It's definitely like a hard enduro, that.
Yeah, it goes for ages. Like.
I'm intrigued to think I'm intrigued to hear what you guys think of these TPI bikes, whether carbs are better. I still don't really know what to say. They're great at lugging, but they have a lot of problems. Definitely I need to get a 300. If I'm going to stay 2-stroke, it's going to have to be a 300. But then do I go 4-stroke? Because I do like 4-strokes. Leave a comment down below, see what you, tell me what you'd buy. If you had the money, what would you buy? This is such a strange surface. It's basically grass on top of boulders. I don't know if they're natural or... I wouldn't like to crash on them, but at least it's not boggy. Oh, mega. Full on hard enduro. I haven't got a sun guard on, so I've got to be real careful with that stuff. Oh, we're home. Don't mind if I wheelie through your house, do you? Never thought I'd get Midwest to enjoy hard stuff like this rocky terrain. That 300 has changed him. Oh, that looks like it's floaty.
Yeah, I don't think I want to go to that. I want to go up and over.
Yeah. Yeah. What a beautiful day, boys and girls. I've not been over the bars yet either, so that's a plus. Oh my god! Right. Oh god. Thank you. Yeah.
Looks class. I can't believe it just fell off.
Mate, I wish I was recording. You fell straight into through the bike as well.
Hey, if I didn't have boys, I'd proper twang my knee on something. It was just like, you come into it, I was like, he's going slow. And then, yeah, but then like, you went to pop it. I was about to gas off. It was like,
oh my god. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Huh? It is like, it was biblical, that. This section's a bit off camber, so what I like to do is try and stay as high as I can, because worst case scenario you can go down, but to try and stay as high as you can is the best. Nice to get a bit of pace every now and again. Oh, it's coming to that time of day where everyone's a bit tired. They want to go home. Well, I'm kind of just getting into it. So I might stay out for a bit longer. Convince Gazzy. Oh god, these ruts are deep. Trying to stay out of them. Or in the middle of them. now I'm in a rut. It's not what I wanted to do. Surprisingly dry. Oh, we're still in the rut. Oh, I don't know where we're going. I get too excited and always go first. Probably not the best thing to do. Oh, lost my balance. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. Oh, river. Oh, we've been in there a bit hot. The other two have they've just gone back. So I'm not quite finished riding. So I wanted to do a couple more trails. Oh, this is wet. Whoa. It's now even time for me to head back because I am knackered. It's been another quite mega day. Been all sorts actually, from fast to hard endurance. Jump that bit then. Don't want to get wet now on my way home. As usual, thanks for watching guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so because it helps me out. And I'll see you soon.